Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to change time zone on TradingView mobile app. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change your time zone. So first thing that you will do is to make sure you are running the latest version of the TradingView application. And once you ensure that, just open up the application guys and make sure to sign in using your account. And now over here, just tap on the chart. And then once you are here on the chart, just tap on the three dots over here, tap on it. And then from here, guys, you will see multiple options. So just go to the chart settings. And then over here on the chart settings, guys, if you scroll down below, you will see here the time zone. And then from here, you will have multiple options in order for you to change the time zone. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!